Hey, how you doing out there? This is Alan Lawson from the Alan Lawson Group, and today I'm coming to you live, or actually not live, but coming to you on this video. I want to talk to you about this awesome blue Yeti mic that I just got for my birthday, a mic stand, and a pop filter. Let's go. Let's do an unboxing on this stuff, guys. Let's see what we got going on. Hope everybody's doing great tonight. So I just had a birthday a week before Christmas. It's pretty I love it, but it's a week before Christmas, so who knows what's going to happen with presents, and it's always mass chaos because we have so many of the family functions right in December through Christmas. So it's just it's fun, but it gets it's a fast paced time for us this year. But let's go through this stuff real quick. I wanted to show you. I'm gonna try to get some more better audio for you guys on these videos. So I wanted to run through. I got a pop filter for this new mic that I'm getting ready to open. It basically pop filters keep the popping down. It makes it a lot more clear, and the clarity of each individual tone of each sound. You'll be able to hear everything without all the background noise, or it filters out all that extra fuzz and white noise. The next thing is a microphone stand. I'm gonna take this and I'll mount it on the desk, and I'll probably run it over and come right above. You won't be able to see the mic, but maybe sometimes you won't be able to see it. But it's gonna come over the desk and come up top, so I'll be able to clamp that on the desk really nicely. And for the moment everybody's been waiting for, this condenser mic right here. This thing is awesome. I've heard so many good things about it. I've read reviews. It's got tons of different. You can just let's see. You can do recording, streaming, Skype, podcast, voiceovers. You can do it in all the different pattern settings to be able to hear your source and direction. And it's got let me go through it real quick. It's got a triple capsule condenser at the top up here, and then it's got you got your mic gain control, the different four polar patterns for the different ways, the different patterns of sound that coming through. Master volume, mute button. It's got a headphone output, a mini USB jack, a threaded mic stand where you can throw it right on top of a mic, and a custom base with cable management so we can run it around. And USB is included. So it says in this thing, a Yeti, a legendary ape-like creature who roams the Himalayas. Number two, Yeti, an incredibly versatile USB microphone found worldwide. Amazing vocals, music, podcast voiceovers, interviews, conference calls, field recordings, and much, much more. Without further ado, let's get into this bad boy, man. All right. Last we get held up by a little bit more tape. There's a packed in USB cord. That's always a good one, right? So the USB cord, regular to mini USB. We've got our booklet, registration, all your warranty information. And here comes the bread and butter. Oh yeah, guys. Blue Yeti. All right, so you got your nice heavy base to be able to set this thing on with some good padding. Right here on the front, you've got your master volume control right here, your mute button right here. Here's your different patterns. Very simple to change on 4, and there's your gain. And on the base, you've got your mini USB, your threaded mic stand, and your headphone jack. So this thing is pretty stout, man. I'm super excited to use it. I can't wait to record on this thing, man. It's gonna be awesome. I'm gonna get it set up, and I'll do a test. I'll throw a video test button up there as soon as I get it set up. That way we can go sound check and see how it goes and go from there. But I'm uber excited to get this thing set up, guys. If you got any questions or comments about the Yeti Blue mic, it's leave me a comment in the description down there. If you got any questions how it works, or if you want me to shoot you a link to it, I got mine, I think, off Amazon, but I think I can throw an Amazon link down there just to show you what we got. But this concludes my unboxing for the Yeti Blue mic. I really appreciate you guys hanging out and watching my video with me, and stay tuned to my channel for more affiliate marketing, unboxing of different hardware. We're gonna do some software walkthroughs, some sales funnel walkthroughs. I'm big into sales funnel and affiliate marketing, so I want to give you all the info y'all need out there to try to get y'all up there and running. We don't, of course, you don't need this stuff, but it's always good to have, and makes it a little bit extra clear for your podcast or for your videos. So until next time, this is Alan Lawson from the Alan Lawson Group. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.